Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to secure your Instagram account. In order to secure your Instagram account, you need to follow the simple steps. So what here you need to do is to secure your account, you could try a couple of these steps. So open the Instagram application and log in. Next, you simply click on the profile initials from the bottom of the page and tap the menu from the top right hand side corner of your screen. And when you actually do this, what next you have to do is right on this section, you want to go ahead and click on account center, then come to account settings. Underneath you have these password and security, click that out, and as soon as you click on it, right on this page you have the security section. So first of all, to secure your account, you could frequently change your password, and other than that, you also make sure to create a strong and a unique password. Next, you could go ahead and enable two-factor authentication, and likewise other, after which you could also check your login activity. You could erase the suspicious devices that you can no longer recognize, and that way as well you could secure your account on Instagram. So these are a couple things you could do. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.